Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this pop-up green-orange coloring for your videos in the CapCut Mobile. So after you add your video, go to adjust and here click on the contrast, increase it to around 12, saturation 15, brilliance lower it to around -5, increase the sharpness into 5, and then find highlight and lower it to around 8. Now add the filter, find it under the movies category, find the green orange, okay, this one, and adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to go with 25. Click on the check icon, so let's see the before. So this is without the color grading, and this is the after. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.